What's up, guys? My name is Vincent. I'm a plumber at a certain company here in Australia. I just want to show you some of the plumbing here that we've done. This is all 100mm drainage. And tomorrow we're starting the 50mm. That stuff there. We're going to start that tomorrow. Plumbing in Australia, Canberra. On a construction site, residential. Just want to show you guys what it's all about. Close to 150. Carry on this way during the week or next week. Shoots all the way down there. Me and my mate Corey doing one of the plumbing here.